Welcome back, everybody. This is your brother Gaetana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. Are you new to the channel? If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it right now. If you are not new to the channel, don't forget to smash the like button. In this video, we are going to practice talking about our preferences. Okay? ዛሬ በዚህ ቪዲዮ ምንድነው የምናወራው? ስለምንመርጣቸው ነገሮች፣ ስለምንወዳቸው ነገሮች እናወራለን። So, first of all, what does preference mean? Do you know? If you know the meaning of preference, pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section below. If you don't know the meaning of preference, don't worry. I am here today to tell you everything. So, first of all, what does preference mean? Preference means choice, okay? Preference means choice. Or sometimes like. Preference means choice. Preference means like. ስለዚህ ዛሬ ስለምንመርጠው ወይንም ደግሞ ስለምንወደው ነገር ነው የምናወራው። Preferences are our likes, okay? So we like what we choose. We like what we prefer. አይደለ? የምትመርጡትን ትወዳላችሁ አይደለ? ስለነዛ ስለምንወዳቸው ስለነዛ ስለምንመርጣቸው ነገሮች ወይንም ደግሞ ስለምንወዳቸው ነገሮች ዛሬ በእንግሊዘኛ ማውራት እንለማመዳለን ማለት ነው። All right. Actually, there are a lot of grammar features that we can use to talk about our preferences. በእንግሊዘኛ ስለምንመርጣቸው ነገሮች ስለምንወዳቸው ነገሮች ለማውራት የተለያዩ አማራጮች አሉ። ነገር ግን ዛሬ የምናወራው ሁለቱም ብቻ ነው። These two grammar features depend on prefer, okay? እነዚህ ዛሬ የምናያቸው ሁለቱ ምን ላይ መሰረት ያደረጉ ናቸው? prefer ላይ መሰረት ያደረጉ ናቸው። We are going to see two basic prefer structures that are used to talk about our preferences. So the first basic, okay? The first basic prefer structure that we can use to talk about our preference is subject, okay? Subject. After subject, there must be prefer, subject plus prefer. You know, the word class of prefer is verb, okay? After prefer, there must be the preposition to. Okay? መጀመሪያ subject መኖር አለበት። ከዛ prefer to መኖር አለበት። After prefer to, there must be V1. So, what does V1 mean? V1 means base verb. Okay? ከprefer to ቀጥሎ ምን መኖር አለበት? V1 ወይንም ደግሞ base verb መኖር አለበት። Actually, after V1, there must be an object. ከቪዋን ቀጥሎ ምን መጠቀም አለብን? object, because we are talking about our preferences. If we are talking about our preferences, we are expected to use objects after our base verb. So V1 plus object. After this object, look guys, there must be rather than, okay? Plus rather than plus base verb or V1 plus object, okay? This is the first structure that we can use to talk about our choice, that we can use to talk about our like. ስለምንወደው ነገር ለማውራት ከፈለጋችሁ የመጀመሪያው ስትራክቸር ይሄ ነው። የመጀመሪያው ስለዚህ prefer አለ እዚህ ጋር prefer later ነው ዛሬ የምናወራው ቀደም እንደነገርኳችሁ። So the first one is subject plus prefer to plus V1 plus object plus rather than plus V1 plus object. So this is the first structure that we can use to talk about our preferences. All right, now let's see example sentence. Okay, let's see example sentence. Example sentence number 1. እስኪ ምሳሌ እንመልከት። Subject ምን ልጠቀም? I ልጠቀም። I is a pronoun that we can use it as a subject. So I prefer to V1, for instance, drink. I prefer to drink what? Coffee. You know, coffee. Next, coffee is an object. There must be rather than plus V1. Let me use drink again. And then tea. Okay? Let's read the whole sentence. I prefer to drink coffee rather than drink tea. So I'm talking about my preference. I'm talking about my choice. I'm talking about my like. Guys, okay? Look, I is a subject. We have prefer to. We have prefer to. We have drink, that is base form. We have coffee. Coffee is an object. We have rather than. We have drink, V1. We have object finally. And also we have tea, that is an object. So what does it mean? Look guys, first of all, as you can see, I have written or I have used the verb drink twice. But you know, the second one is optional. If your second base verb is similar to the first one, the second one is optional. You can delete it. Okay? የሁለተኛው ቤዝ ቨርብ ከመጀመሪያው ጋር ተመሳሳይ ከሆነ የሁለተኛውን ማስወገድ ትችላላችሁ። ዴሊት ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። You can remove it. That means I can rewrite this sentence as I prefer to drink coffee rather than tea. Okay? As you can see in the second sentence, I have deleted the second base verb, that is drink. So both are correct. I prefer to drink coffee rather than drink tea. This is correct. In addition to that, I prefer to drink coffee rather than tea. This is also correct. So what does I prefer to drink coffee rather than drink tea mean? What does I prefer to drink coffee rather than tea mean? Okay, it's very simple. አሁን እስኪ ትርጉሙን ልንገራችሁ። ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ? ኦኬ፣ ሁለቱ አረፍተ ነገሮች ትርጉማቸው ተመሳሳይ ነው። ምን ማለት ነው ሁለቱም አረፍተ ነገሮች? I like drinking coffee more than tea ማለት ነው። Okay? What is the meaning of I prefer to drink coffee rather than drink tea? That means I like drinking coffee more than drinking tea or tea ማለት ነው። ትርጉሙን አያችሁት አይደል? መጀመሪያ ለምን ብያለሁ? Today we are going to practice talking about our lives. So እነዚህ ሁለት አረፍተ ነገሮች ትርጉማቸው ምንድነው? I like drinking coffee more than tea ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So do you understand me? If you understand me, don't forget to smash the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it right now. Alright, now it's time to say another example sentence. Example sentence number 2. I prefer to watch romantic movies rather than watch action movies. Okay. Look guys, we have the subject I, we have prefer to, there is watch which is V1, romantic movies is our object, we have rather than, watch is V1, and action movies is our second object. Alright, so I prefer to watch romantic movies rather than watch action movies. What does it mean? As I said earlier, you can delete the second base verb because it is the same or similar to the first base verb. እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት የሁለተኛው ማስወገድ ትችላላችሁ። ለምንድን? ምክንያቱም ከመጀመሪያው ጋር ተመሳሳይ ስለሆነ ሪደንደንት እንዳይሆን ማስወገድ ትችላላችሁ። So what does it mean? ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ? What does I prefer to watch romantic movies rather than watch action movies? That means ትርጉሙ ምንድነው? ያረፍተ ነገር ትርጉሙ ምንድነው? I like watching romantic movies more than action movies ማለት ነው። ትርጉሙ ይሄ ነው። ትርጉሙ ምን ማለት ነው? Let's assume there are romantic movies, there are action movies, but my preference is watching romantic movies. የፍቅር ሙቪዎች አሉ፣ እንደገና ጦርነት የበዛባቸው አክሽን ሙቪዎች አሉ። የኔ ምርጫ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? ሮማንቲክ ሙቪ ማየት ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ትርጉሙ ይሄ ነው። So what is the first grammar feature that you can use to talk about your preference or likes or choice is subject. The subject can be I, especially if you are talking about yourself. So I is a subject, we have prefer to plus V1 object rather than V1 plus object. You know, this object is the object or the thing or the animal or the person that you like more than this. ይሄ object ከዚህኛው ኦብጀክት የተሻለ የምትወዱት ኦብጀክት ነው ይሄ ማለት ነው። So that is structure number 1. Now let's see structure number 2. The second basic prefer structure that we can use to talk about our preference or choice is subject plus prefer plus noun phrase plus the preposition to plus noun phrase again. Okay? In this structure, we don't have base verb, okay? We don't use base verbs after prefer. እዚህ ጋር ከprefer ቀጥሎ ምን አንጠቀም? ቤዝ ቨርብ አንጠቀም። የምንጠቀመው ምንድነው? subject plus prefer plus noun phrase plus preposition to plus noun phrase። መጀመሪያው ላይ እንዳያችሁት ቅድም ላይ ምን ነበረ? the verb prefer and the preposition to were inseparable አይለያዩ ነበር አይደል? መጀመሪያ ላይ ያየነው ከprefer ቀጥሎ ቀጥታ ምን ነበር የመጣው? the preposition to. But in this structure, as you can see, prefer and to are separated by noun phrase. በprefer እና በቱ መካከል ማን መጣ? noun phrase ወይንም ስማዊ ሐረግ መጣ። ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ ግን subject መኖር አለበት። As usual, let me use the pronoun I as a subject. After I have to use the verb prefer. All right. After prefer, there must be a noun phrase. So, what is that noun phrase? For example, ቅድም ያየነው ምን ነበረ? Drink coffee አይደለ? Okay. My preference was drinking coffee. ወደዚህ ስንቀይረው ምን ይሆናል? I prefer coffee. You know, coffee is a noun. ከዛ ማን እንጠቀማለን? We have the preposition to. ከዛ next noun phrase መጀመሪያ ላይ የተጠቀምነው noun phrase ማን ነበር ካስታወሳችሁ? tea አይደል እንዴ? So I prefer coffee to tea. This is also the second structure that you can use to talk about your preferences or choice. So I prefer coffee to tea. That means I like ትርጉሙ ምንድነው? What does it mean? What does it mean? I like coffee more than tea ማለት ነው ትርጉሙ more than tea. All right, now let's say another example sentence. What is that? Sentence I prefer romantic movies, romantic, you know, romantic movies is the first noun phrase. And after our first noun phrase, there must be the preposition to. To, what is the second noun phrase? The second noun phrase is action movies. Action movies. Okay, let's read. I prefer romantic movies to action movies. What does it mean? የዛ አረፍተ ነገር ትርጉሙ ምንድነው? Meaning, the meaning is very simple. I like romantic movies more than action movies ማለት ነው። more than action movies ማለት ነው ትርጉሙ። ስለዚህ ይሄንንም ስትራክቸር በመጠቀም ይሄንንም ግራመር ፊውቸር በመጠቀም ስለምን ማውራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው? ስለምትወዱት ነገር ማውራት ትችላላችሁ ነው። So have you got my points? If you have got my points, don't forget to smash the notification bell. In addition, guys, after watching my videos, don't forget to smash the like button. That is all for today. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, take care.